Good morning, students. We can continue the same exercise. Exercise number 5.2. Next question number 6. So check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2, etc. So we have to check this. If the AP is continuing like this, then minus 150 will be the term of an AP or not. Okay, so if it is a term, we don't know if it is a term or not, but suppose if it is a term, then we can take n term as 1 minus 150, correct? Continuing like this, after some times we will get this number if it is a term. If it is a not term, then we will not get this one. Okay, so first I am starting that let minus 150 be the nth term of an AP, nth term of an, that means last term of an AP. So I am taking an is equal to what is the last term? This is A1, A2, A3 and continuing like this, an will be the last term. So an I am taking it as minus 150. What is A? That is first term 11. What is D? D is equal to common difference, second term minus first term. That means 8 minus 11 is equal to minus 3. Okay, now we got an, A, D. So we can substitute the equation. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is an? Minus 150 is equal to A, 11 plus n we don't know. N minus 1 into D is equal to minus 3. So we have to calculate n. That is our aim. Okay, we have to calculate n. So for calculating n, we are taking n is equal to what? Minus 150. A we have here common difference. You can calculate second term minus first term. So I am substituting the values in this equation. So we will get minus 150 is equal to this. This is into, not minus. Okay. So I am calculating like this. I am taking this plus 11 onto the left hand side. So minus 150 minus 11 comes here is equal to n minus 1 into 3. Minus 150 minus 11 is equal to minus 161 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. Next I am taking this 3 onto the opposite side. So this into 3 comes here divided by 3. So n minus 1 we will get minus 161 divided by 3, which is equal to 53.66 and continuing like this. If you are dividing these two number, you will get this. Okay, so this is minus 3. So after that n minus 1 is equal to 53 point this. So n is equal to 53.66 plus 1, that means is equal to 54.666 continuing. Okay, so now you got n is equal to 54 point something 0.66. But what is n? N is the number of terms. The number of terms cannot be point number. It should be an integer. Okay. In an AP, maybe one term is there, two term is there, three terms are there, four terms are there, maybe 100 terms are there, maybe 1000 terms are there. But we cannot say that 2.5 terms are there. That means it should be an integer. It should not come point number. Okay. Now we got n is a point number. So it is not an integer. So we can write here, but n is not an integer. So we can write therefore minus 150 is not a term of an AP. So we got it. So we can write it. If this is an integer, this is a perfect number, then we can say this given number is a term of an AP. But this is a point number, so we can write the given number minus 150 is not a term of an given AP.